Hey there! Today I want to show you a sneak peek of a brand new Figma plugin from Typogram. Our brand new plugin allows you to discover fresh color ideas, swatch pairings, and palettes right inside your Figma workspace. Ever get stuck on what colors to use for your design? Using our brand new plugin, you can choose from our curated color palettes for some quick ideas. You can also select a color group like red and see a bunch of color palettes from that color group to test and experiment your design with. In addition, you can search palettes by colors. One of my favorite things is you can also copy color palettes you liked or have used on the side of your artboard. That way you can keep experimenting and iterate with your work. And if you like the palettes you are working with, you can save them for later access. That way you can use the same palette again for something else. Design is iterative. As designers, sometimes we want to see different colorways within the same color palette. Pressing the refresh button in the plugin allows you to shuffle through the swatches in the selected color palette and see different elements colored differently. This allows you to create mock-ups and experiment with different colorways quickly. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more updates about Typogram's brand new Figma plugin. Thanks for watching.